How to fix unavailable videos that are hidden in YouTube. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix unavailable videos that are hidden on YouTube. The first step is to open the YouTube mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. From there, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. On this page, there are different options you can use to manage your account, including your playlists. After that, make sure you tap here on View All so that you can see every playlist available in your account. Once you do this, you will see a full list of all the playlists you have created or saved. The next step is to open the specific playlist where you believe the unavailable video is located. After the playlist opens, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots icon. From the menu that appears at the bottom of the screen, select the option named Show Unavailable Videos. Once you do that, YouTube will display all the videos that are hidden in that playlist. The reason these videos appear as unavailable can vary. It could be that the uploader of the video has deleted it from their channel, or it might be that the video has been made private, meaning only people selected by the uploader can view it. Another common reason is that the video has been blocked in your country or region due to copyright restrictions or content rules. In some cases, the video may be hidden if it violates YouTube's policies and has been removed. If the video is important to you, one possible solution is to try contacting the creator who uploaded it and ask if they have another link or version of the same video they can share with you. Otherwise, you might need to look for alternative videos with similar content on YouTube. As you can see, the process of revealing hidden, unavailable videos is very straightforward once you know where to find the option. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix unavailable videos that are hidden in YouTube.